Hey everybody, how y'all doing now? My name is Bobby Boo. It's Saturday night. We're gonna party like a rock star. First, we're gonna take apart this microwave oven and we're gonna make some cash. First thing we want to do here, folks, we want to cut off this power cord right here. Get some scrap money for that. We're gonna take off these screws. God damn. What the? Sometimes they have a funny screw head, but we can remedy that right off. We're going to take the door right off. Shit. God damn. Damn. I don't know who. That come from a bachelor pad or something. That's dirty right there, folks. All right. Take off all these screws. We've got a nice metal plate on the back here. Scrap that. Typically, out of these microwave ovens, we'll get yourself maybe 5 pounds of scrap steel. And I'm going to have to see what the hell's going on now. We've got them kind of... Alright. We've got it right here. No, that ain't it. Woo-wee, there's all kinds of fittings. And these screws now, used to be you had one or two kinds. Now you got security screws and torque head screws, and I don't understand why they build these things with two different types of screws, but there it is. There's another one right there. We're gonna go back Phillips head. Get that right off. Ain't too much in these microwave ovens, folks. We're gonna get some scrap molded copper, some aluminum. One thing I like a whole lot, it's got a couple of big old magnets in here. If you're gonna be scrapping, you need magnets. And you've got a couple of fine magnets in the inside this right here. I'm gonna show you how to get it there. There we go. Save all your screws, folks. Say it. Bastard. Alright. Here we go. Woo! Alright, we're in business. Steel right there. Some more steel. Here's the money. Right here. Look at that. Good copper motor. What I like to do is I get a nice chisel and a hammer, and I cut through that wire there, both sides, and then I drive the copper down through. Usually you get one side's going to be all copper, another side's going to be all aluminum, and then you get yourself about 3 pounds of scrap steel. 3 pounds of scrap steel right out of that there. Now that's nice. Alright, now we get in here and see what's going on, folks. We've got some nice scrap wire. Alrighty, get rid of that. Alright, oh Lord of Jesus. Alright, what we got a little fan motor. A little fan motors, got some copper there, a little gray board, capacitor. People tell me don't be fooling around with this. It can hold a charge, give you good zapping like you've been tased, bro. Okay, now, this is here, folks. Some kind of magnetron or something like that. This is where them old magnets is at. And they're really, really nice. We're going to get some copper out of here. right quick. Come on now. God damn. Yeah. Oh. There we go, folks. Get right on out of there now. Let's see. Well, tell me too, this thing's been used within a week, you're going to get a good old zapping out of this too. But I take it apart plenty of these, and I have yet to get zapped by anything. This is what we call the magnetron. This is where all the magic of the microwave oven happens. Folks, woo-wee. I'm going to put on my gloves here. Our head tail. They're right up in here. Somewhere under there, there's some cancer causing paste or something. Sometimes it's white and sometimes it's pink. And I don't want cancer on my fingers. We're going to bust that right off. See that? Take a look at there. We got some nice, that's brass. And we're going to pop off the big magnet there on the side. These aluminum fins pop right off too. And if you pull on it, come on. Damn. Come on. Alright, here it is. Get a nice old piece of copper wire hiding up in there. Get at that. Alright, we got some more scrap steel. Here's one of these beautiful magnets, folks. These things are nice to have. They're very nice and strong. And right now it's free. If it's free, it's for me. Alright, we got some more scrap. Yeah, alright, we're making money now, folks. Making money. Woo, yeah, I gotta tell you, folks, it's been a long week this week. Well, these normally gonna bump right off there. They do, but not tonight. It's gonna give me a hard time. Alright, there we go. We got that second motor. That magnet right there. There's another one. These magnets is nice and strong. I use them for testing. Well, normally, folks, these things just kind of pop right off. There we go. Aluminum. Right there. That's money. That's nice and clean. We're going to peel all those off. Just like that. Well, good. They'll come off, folks. I'm going to wrestle around with that after I'm done taping. The scrapping's hard work now. Woo! We're going to have myself a nice cold beer. Alrighty. Yeah, right. Now we're talking. Alright, now else, what we got right here, folks, behind the keypad, I keep telling you to look behind that pad because there's money there. We're going to get us some silver or some gold. I don't know. We're going to find out right now. Right now we're going to find out. This is all just plastic junk. We're going to bust that off before we send it down to the scrap yard. We're going to light off another piece of aluminum right here. Gonna take that off. Under here, folks. Right? That makes the dish spin. We've got ourselves a nice copper motor right there. That make that whole dish spin around like that. Yeah, but it's steel. And we'll clean that up a little bit. And then we're going to send it to the scrap yard. But what we're looking for, folks, right there is that behind that board. Behind the board, you're going to be money. Money, money, money. We're scrapping. What's happening? I'm scrapping. Friday night. Woo! Oh, or Saturday. Oh, damn, it's Saturday now. All right, now, we're going to pull that off. See, we got nice copper right in there. And folks, I always like to smash apart all these little doohickeys on these low-grade boards. Because sometimes you don't know what they is. You're going to find some copper in there, I think. Alright, now here we got this old thing and the keypad, and that's where we're going to make the money, folks, right there. We're going to make a little money. We're going to get us a chisel or a knife, and then we're going to peel the number right off there. 40, there she is. Folks, that is what they call Mylar. Mylar, my God. And that is all impregnated with silver. And we're gonna save that. I don't know if you can see all the silver right there. That's all silver. Yeah, you save up enough of these, you're gonna make some money. Alright, folks, so we got a little more work to do. We got some more stripping right there. We got some more aluminum. There's my motors right there, that dang capacitor. And basically, there it is. Alright, teaching you how to scrap a microwave oven tonight. Alright, folks, what's happening? I'm scrapping. I'm Bobby Boop. Check out my next video.